Today we're going to start with Chapter 6. So you may recall that I said that we're going to be doing Chapter 6 and Chapter 7 together, combined, just to help us save some time. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay. So Chapter 6 is dealing with money and dealing with things like calculating unit price and sale price and discounts and that. So it really shouldn't be too hard for you. You've done it before. So we're just going to do a quick review here. So today we're going to take a look at calculating unit price. Basically what unit price is, it's the amount of money charged for a unit of an item. Okay, so for example, it might be the cost per milliliter, or it might be the cost per dozen, or it might be the cost per gallon. Okay, so it's all different kinds of units that we could be using, and so that's what we have to pay attention to. So that's what we're going to take a look at right here. Is we're going to take a look at some of these ones. So I've got $120 for 25 liters. Well, typically it's not how many liters per dollar. We want to know how much it's going to cost per liter. So I want to know what the cost is per liter. So to get 1 liter, which basically means 1 liter, I'm going to be dividing both of these by 25. So the cost per 1 liter, so I will take $120, divide it by 25, so $4.80. So that is $4. Oops. $4.80 per liter. Okay. B. I don't want to know how many loaves I get for $1. I want to know what the cost for 1 loaf is going to be. So I want to know the cost per loaf of bread. So I'm going to divide both of these by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that means I'm going to find out what the cost is per loaf. So I'll go $6.95 divided by 3. And again, I don't deal with hundredths of a cent, even tenths of a cent, so that's going to be $2.32. So $2.32. So I want to know what the cost is per cupcake. So this time I'm going to divide each by 12 to find out what the cost is per cupcake. So $4.99 divided by 12. Round to the nearest cent. So it's going to be 42 cents. And I'll get $2.99 for a dozen eggs. Okay, so I could make that my unit. So I could make it $2.99 per dozen. But if I want to know what the price is per egg, I'm going to have to divide that by 12. So I'll take the $2.99, divide it by 12. So that's going to be 25 cents per egg. Okay. So here's an example, right? So bananas are advertised as $1.99 per kilogram. Is this more or less than 59 cents a pound? So what I need to do is figure out what this is, or 1 kilogram is, in pounds. So I know that 1 kilogram, when I look at my book, is about 2.2 pounds. So I'm going to take $1.99 divided by 2.2. Whoops. So that is 90 cents per pound. So the answer would be more. Alright, so that's an example right there. You got a little bit of conversions going on from kilogram to pounds, and you want to find out what your unit price is. So what I'd like you to do, please, is page 159, numbers 1 to 5.